Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have Forefront and it is an amazing AI chat assistant tool. Now to try out you can head over to the link in the description to get exclusive benefits and extended free trials on these platforms, like for example the Forefront today that we are going to be discussing about it. Now it is an amazing tool if you want simply an open source AI with you, and you can see it has a lot of dashboard and features to offer. So you can see now you can choose and train your model according to your needs and demands. It have a lot of options of training, validation data, and all those features that the developers of natural language processing use. Now you can go through all of its information. Below you can see its dashboard, and it has some tabs like for example data, your API keys, and if you want to have a better control on your, like for example AI and the type of answers it is going to be generating, you can totally customize it. It even offers a code that you can enter and try out for yourself as well. So yeah guys, make sure to give it a try and head over to the link in the description to simply access Forefront. You can get extended free trails and exclusive benefits. Thank you so much for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.